Hello everyone. Hello, it's Theo here from Digital Taxidermy. That's where I am. And this is our newest thing. Thanks for all the support on the Kickstarter. There'll be more stuff on the website. Do check it out. But this is the latest model that I've been working on this week. It's the Planetary Defence Rail Gun, the space laser. It's big, it's chunky. I've been going quite diesel punk, sort of steampunk. I thought, let's do some cogs. Do some cogs so you can see how it turns. Those are the sorts of noises I've been making to myself whilst I've been using this, creating it. Yeah, diesel punk, steampunk. It's a broken society, but they need space lasers. There was also maybe something else that was going through my mind when I was making this. I don't know, something about the angle and the long shaft. But who knows? Who knows? Maybe the older space commanders have something that they are compensating for when they chose this particular model for their planetary defense. Who knows? Who knows indeed? But this is what I've gone for. The couple of things I've tried to include with this one. We've got the spool at the bottom, quite on show. I thought let's use that spool as much as we can instead of trying to hide it. Sometimes the spool gets hidden and it's just structural, but this time let's make the spool part of it. So we've got quite a spool heavy thing. The gun on top is big. I make no apologies. Sorry if you really wanted a smaller thing, a lightweight thing, but this is going to be a chunky build, but I think it's going to be worth it. I'm really quite pleased with it. The other thing that I sort of included in this is some pipes. All these pipes here that are in slightly red, you wouldn't print those, but they are going to be for filament. So, oh, no, I've selected the wrong thing here. Look, you could plug your own filament, these little holes here. It should push fit and you should get some lovely filament stuff. I've chucked in a load of extra holes in the bottom. Oh, there's a few missing. I'm going to chuck some more in before I send this out to you as well. So there'll be loads of holes for you to stray wires, feeding tubes, whatever you want to call it. Cooling vents, I don't know. Maybe your space laser gets hot. Maybe it needs some smoothie. Who knows? The other little feature I quite like, I put these cogs at the bottom so you can imagine how it would move. But also, oh look, the cogs are a weak point. Put an explosive device on that and it's gone. I don't know. If I was doing this, I would say that could be a little objective, having a little explodey thing on the bottom of that, so that the rebels can land, or whatever it is that you're doing in this particular game. Could be used for loads of stuff. Could just be used because you just really think it looks pretty. I don't know. I quite like the look of it. That's what I've done. But let's see how it comes apart. It's a complicated model, and it is going to come apart into lots of bits. So, woo! There we go. Lots of bits. I've labelled it up as much as I can. The space laser is going to do vertically. That's quite a big one, and that's the mount for it is fairly big as well, but I've tried to hollow stuff out as best I can. It should all print support free as well. Should do. I'm doing the test print still, so there may be one or two minor tweaks that I'm going to do. I've literally just finished making this, but I wanted to share it with you all. Lots of bits. Hey, there it goes, back together. Look, it will definitely be that easy to fit together in real life. Or maybe not, but let's watch it one more time. Anyway, that's a little view of our space laser, railgun, space cannon. Hope you like it. I'll put some renders, and then when we have done the test print, I will hopefully do a little video of that. We're also possibly even looking at doing some sort of stream of the test print. Do you want to watch that? I don't know why you would, but you can if you want to watch a printer go. But my advice would be, get your own printer, print it yourself, then you get to watch it in 3D, even better. Don't forget to check out the website, and the blog, and the videos, and all the other stuff that we do, and then spend your life looking at it. Bye!
Like the video, follow me around, press the bell, it makes no sound. Like the video, press subscribe, I don't know why I am alive.